Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and we got,
Mr. Pepper Puttz here.
yeah, kind of an unusual day for us to be doing a video. I mean, it is Tuesday after all. But this is a special Tuesday because we have a very large box from Mr. Scott Tippett of Tippets Super Hots. And I know a bit about what's in here. I don't think you know, do you?
I have no clue.
That's because I didn't tell you.
So that would be why I have no clue.
I didn't tell you on purpose even. We can get this to open now.
He really isn't kidding about it's a big box. Compared to the normal boxes, this is at least 2 to 3 times the size from edge to edge.
So I know what's in here because I actually took and ordered these.
More jams and jellies?
Maybe. Looks like it's in a nice bubble wrap. Okay, that was end of it. Oh, another box inside. Another couple boxes inside.
Got some boxception going on here. A box and a box and a box.
Yeah, kinda. Well, it was 2 boxes in a box. So.
And then that has 2 more boxes in it, apparently, according to the open site on that one.
It does have 2 more boxes. Okay, we're getting into boxception.
Oh man. Well, at least you know if you order from Tippets Super Hots, you'll have plenty of postal protection.
Oh yeah, these are packaged way nice. Alright, so 3 of these are identical.
Okay.
That one's got some weight to it. That's got a little bit of weight to it. That's got some weight to it. That's got some weight to it. So I am going to hand you this.
Okay.
And I'm going to say, Merry Christmas early.
Well, I guess, yeah, it'd probably be easier just to cut across the line here.
I was just going to say, and you'll go flying off the box and slice my arm off.
Yeah, cut away from you maybe a little bit here. Trying to cut deep enough to get the cardboard, but not everything that may possibly be inside.
Just grab it and rip it.
I guess. I'm being one of those people, trying to enjoy the surprise and save my wrapping paper.
Alright, I blew it. I'm sorry.
That's alright. I also don't know what's in here, so that was part of the reason of being careful. I didn't know if it would be something I could slice open and or destroy. So it looks like, yeah, some more jams and jellies. Another, of course, Tippets Super Hot card. So what do we have? I like these little bags. Nice little bubble wrap bag to perfectly hold each individual jar.
Yeah, Scott, you did a wonderful job on the packing on this.
Oh,
So far, it looks like everything is arrived perfectly.
man, these sound really good actually, just from the few names I've seen.
Well, read them off.
So the one I'm holding here is 7-pot bubblegum strawberry jam.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe they've always kind of listed the same ingredients, but just for the sake of, it contains fruit, lime juice, sugar, pectin, and peppers. And then of course refrigerate after opening. And I want to say that these are actually, yeah, these are a different jar than the first ones.
Correct.
We received. They were like a smaller mason jar.
Yep. These are the gift pack sampler jars.
Okay. Alright, so.
Well, give them a close-up look at the new label, too.
So there would be the ingredients, the Tippets Super Hot logo, and then the flavor name and what it, I guess, would contain, more or less. So that would be the 7-pot bubblegum strawberry.
It's the only one I can't eat.
Why?
Because it has strawberries in it.
Then it looks like we have a Trinidad X Strawberry Banana Jam. This one is a little darker. The other one was more of a honey color. This one's got a bit more red to it. Then we have next in line a habanero blueberry jam.
That one is wonderful.
This one actually has a lot of that blueberry color to it. You can see it on the glass there maybe.
That particular jam is one of my all-time favorites.
And then we have an apricot lemon starburst jam. Ooh, that sounds really tasty.
I haven't tried that one myself.
And that one's a really nice orange, almost like a marmalade type looking one. Next in line is just a standard lemon starburst jam. The previous one had apricot, and that one's got the nice yellow of the lemon starburst.
I haven't tried that one myself.
They could be interesting. They definitely actually sound really nice, so I'm sure I'm going to get some samples at some point.
What do you mean? This box is yours.
Oh.
That's why I said Merry Christmas early.
Oh, I thought you were just
No,
letting
Merry
me
Christmas
open the
early.
darn thing. Oh, sweet, awesome. Well, thank you, and thank you, Rob.
Yeah.
And this one would be Swamp Bugs Kiwi Gator Jigsaw Jam. So, I don't know if you can read that one. And then now this one, you can see, I'm assuming those are the kiwi seeds in there. But interesting name, I guess.
It does look like swamp bugs, doesn't it?
Really neat, though. And then just some more packing there.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, yeah, you'll definitely probably get some review videos from me anyway on my channel, the Pepper Puttz.
Well, I was just going to say, now you got a little bit of material to do a couple of tastings if you want.
If I can get it back in this nice little wrapping. There we are. Oh yeah, cool. If I can pick things up here. The downsides of chewing your fingernails.
Ah, jeez. So that one was for you. I got two more for other people.
Cool.
This one, however, and it even says Rob on it. I didn't notice that before. This one is a surprise one. Now, Charles let loose a little bit last night on the open call, or right before the open call, or the meetups call, that there are pods in here, but did not tell me what it is. However, with the weight of this box, there's something else heavier in here, unless it's completely packed with really, really heavy peppers. This is getting to be a longer video. We haven't done a longer video in a long time.
Well, usually, yeah, it's just a quick box. Whereas this one, many packages.
Hey, everything arrived in one piece. I'm not going to complain about packaging.
Well, no, I said many packages, but yeah, the fact that everything arrived in one piece is also very nice, especially when you can't tell what's going to happen during shipping.
Okay, got a letter in here. It says, here's some fresh peppers for you. They are habanero level and lower. The chocolate pot is one I crossed and I'm growing out. It has habanero level, cool, or habanero level heat. Grow if you like, but please don't give out seeds. Gotcha. These are some of my new jams I thought you may like. Here's a list of the peppers. So there's ahi mango long, okay. Purple pumpkin, I'm not familiar with that one. Jamaican mushroom, lemon habanero X something. It is a question mark. And then chocolate X, and it says, thanks Rob for your order. Well, you're very welcome, Scott. Got another Tippets Super Hot. Okay. And this one is the apricot lemon starburst jam. So I got a sample bottle of that. The Swamp Bugs Kiwi Gator Jigsaw jam. Okay, so another bottle just like Mr. Devon has. And then the lemon starburst jam. See, I've been thinking, oh, that one looks like it's so good. Cool. Thank you, Scott. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
I think the oddest part about these jams for me personally is just going to be the I'm used to jams and jellies being sweet without heat, and so I think that's going to be probably the first thing to kind of make my mind go, what the heck, is the fact that I'm going to put it on my toast and it's going to be really sweet and then that heat's going to follow.
Oh, and when you experience it, it's going to be great. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We have, well, I'll show the box. Nice sampling of the peppers here. So these are the chocolate X's. That is one gnarly looking pod. Looks cool. And let's see, this one says number 3 on it. So this is the Jamaican mushroom. Cool. And this must be the ahi mango long. Yep, number 1. So there's the ahi mango long. And what's number 2?
Purple pumpkin.
It says purple pumpkin. Looks a little red to me, but purple pumpkin it says. And I think
Number 4 should be the lemon habanero cross.
oops, that taking off it. Okay, so lemon habanero cross with something else. That's another cool looking pod. Look at the design on the bottom of that one. So yeah, looks like there's 4 of each. And they're looking very good. Scott really knows how to take and pack up the peppers. So yeah. We'll be having another tasting video or 2 within the next day or 2 here, so yeah. Mr. Scott, I thank you very much. I thank you really a whole lot very much. And for including the extra jars, that I really appreciate as well. And the surprise peppers, so yeah. And at least, you know, keeping them at the habanero or lower heat level is right in my area, so that's cool too. So thank you. Any final words from you?
Definitely was a surprising video in the fact that I definitely was not expecting to walk away with anything. I figured it would almost just be kind of one of our standard unboxing videos. So I really do appreciate it, Rob. And Scott, I'm definitely looking forward to trying these out and doing some reviews for sure. Otherwise, other than that, check out the Pepper Puttz. I should have some videos coming soon for these. I still have to do a pepper grinding video at some point. I have a bunch of dried pods that Mr. Rob did for me that I have to grind up into my own pepper powder mix. I've just kind of been dreading that one.
Well, with the wifey and kid in the house, yeah, you got to do it when they're not around. And how often does that happen?
Not much.
Yeah, so I understand.
And yeah, with that, you know the deal. Like, subscribe, bell, whatever you feel like doing. And then with that, I will pass it back to you, Mr. Rob.
Yep, his information is down in the description below. It's listed as Devin instead of the Pepper Puttz. So if you want to go check out his channel and see what he does, then yeah, click on that link down there. I'm surprised that you didn't think it was rather odd for me to ask you to sit in on an unboxing, but
I just figured
my ruse worked.
I mean, I did kinda, I guess, think it was a little odd, but I also thought maybe just because I was here for the sake of it had me jump in the video. So yeah, definitely, that was a nice little wool you pulled over my eyes there.
Yeah, the fun stuff in life. Alrighty. Well, with that said, I think we're going to take and close this one out. I want to thank you very much for watching. You know, I always appreciate it. Likes, comments, and the notification button. You know all about that. Leave a comment down below. I usually get back to people within a day or so. And yeah, with that said, I'm going to say bye.
See you later.